Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you to find out the value of cos 3 alpha, that is triple angle formula of trigonometric ratio cosine cos 3 alpha. Cos 3 alpha, we can write it as cos 2 alpha plus alpha or alpha plus 2 alpha. And we know that identity of cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos into cos beta minus sin alpha into sin beta, using this identity. And here in this identity, alpha will be replaced by 2 alpha and beta will be replaced by alpha. So using this identity, it will be cos 2 alpha into cos alpha minus sin 2 alpha into sin alpha. Again using the value of cos 2 alpha and sin 2 alpha, we know that sin 2 alpha is equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Also cos 2 alpha equals, in terms of cos it would be 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Cos 2 alpha, it is 2 cos square alpha minus 1. 2 cos square alpha minus 1, and this cos alpha will remain as it is into cos alpha minus sin 2 alpha 2 sin alpha cos alpha, and this sin alpha as it is. Multiplying by cos alpha, it will become 2 cos cube alpha minus cos alpha minus 2 sin square, sin alpha into sin alpha, 2 sin square alpha into cos alpha. Now substitute the value of sin square alpha again. 2 cos cube alpha minus cos alpha minus 2 1 minus cos square alpha, and this cos alpha will remain as it is. Now 2 cos cube alpha minus cos alpha minus, multiplying by 2 cos alpha here, so minus 2 into 1 into cos alpha, minus 2 cos alpha, or minus minus plus 2 cos alpha into cos cube alpha, that is plus 2 cos cube alpha. Collecting the like terms, it will become 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. So cos 3 alpha is equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. So how to find out the value of cos 3 alpha? These are the steps. Using the identity of alpha plus beta, we have calculated the value of cos 3 alpha, and be very careful whenever we find out the value of cos 3 alpha. These are the powers of cos alpha only. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.